PowerPoint shortcuts. Switch between presentation and normal mode. Start presentation from current slide. Press Shift plus F5. Start presentation from beginning. Press F5. Exit presentation mode. Press Escape. Moving between slides while presenting. Go to the first slide. Press Home. Go to the last slide. Press End. Go to a specific slide. Press slide number plus Enter. View all slides dialog showing list of titles. Press Ctrl plus S. Show context menu to choose action from. Press Shift plus F10. Annotations and pointer. Arrow, pen or laser. Hide pointers. Press Ctrl plus H. Laser pointer. Press Ctrl plus L. Change pointer to arrow. Press Ctrl plus A. Change pointer to pen for annotation or freehand. Press Ctrl plus P. Hide annotation markup. Press Ctrl plus M. Change pointer to annotation eraser. Press Ctrl plus E. Delete or clear all on-screen annotation. Press E. Making screen blank for annotation. Display a blank black slide and back. Press B. Display a blank white slide and back. Press W. Thank you for watching this video.